Okay, so today I will try to activate this Delhi BMS. This is a smart BMS. Already I had connected the Bluetooth dongle and battery status indicator. Uh, it's quite a long that I am unable to use this BMS due to some activation issues. So I'll try to charge it. I will use a charger. So this is a positive lead, and previous one was the negative lead, and that charger is connected with a AC current, you can see. So I'm using that charger for quite a long for charging the battery, 24-volt battery. So lithium ion battery. So now first I will check my charger is okay or not. Okay, that charger I have built for myself. So let's check the charger first, is it working or not. So I have connected the charger with my voltage checker gram meter. So you can see positive and negative I have connected, and I have chosen the DC voltage, and it's showing almost 0 volt, 0.3 to something like that. And if I switch on the AC current, so now my charger it started working and generating 27.8 volt. So charger is okay. And we also will I will connect this charger to my battery directly to check is it it's working okay or not. So let's do it. First negative terminal and the negative lead of the voltage checker, and then positive terminal and positive lead of the voltage checker. Now you can see the voltage is showing 26.2 voltage as directly connected with the battery, so voltage is dropping. If I check the ampere, how many ampere is going in from my charger to battery, so you can see the ampere is 3.7 ampere. So charger is okay, it's working great. It's a simple charger I had built a long back with a transformer and diodes, capacitors. Anyhow, so charger is okay, it's a normal charger. Okay, now I will try to activate the BMS through it as per Delhi people's suggestions. So first I will connect the negative lead of the battery with the B minus port of the BMS. So I will fix it. Now it's fixed. Then I will connect the negative terminal of the charger with the P minus of the BMS port. So you can see I have connected it. Okay, now I will connect the positive lead of the battery with the charger positive, and see nothing is happening. Charger already connected, and charger is switched on, or AC is turned on, but nothing is happening. The battery Bluetooth was not working, and also the battery status also is not working. Now if I check the voltage, so positive lead and the negative lead of the charger, so we can see the 27.6 to 27.8 something like that voltage, but in battery it is showing only 26.2, and this is the charger point 27.8. And but the battery display, it's not working. And if I try to activate also through this is there is a button, if I press that, that will work, that should work, but nothing is happening. And if I try to check that if any ampere is going on from my charger to battery through BMS, we find nothing is going on, nothing is working. So 0 ampere is going from my charger to the battery, as BMS is not working. I don't believe BMS is, I think this BMS is faulty. Thank you.